Machining Journey of Rapidefficient Creative Challenge. Today, we are taking on a crazy challenge to machine this extremely difficult part with Rapidefficient CNC. The programming difficulty is off the charts, but we're not afraid. The cutting tools specially made for this part are one of a kind. There were continuous issues during the machining process, but we dealt with them carefully, step by step. The challenge was a success. Look at this perfect result. Do you like this challenge? Share it so that more people can see it. Rapidefficient CNC machining parts display.